So, what can I say? What can I do but offer this heart, O God, completely to you, because you make all things beautiful. You make beautiful things out of the dust. Could a garden come out from this ground at all? You make beautiful things. Hope is springing up from this old ground. Out of chaos, life is being found in you because you make beautiful things. And yes, Lord, I'll stand my soul, Lord, to you, surrendered. All I am is yours. All I am is yours, in awe of the one who gave it all. All I am is yours. You stood before creation with eternity in your hands, and you spoke the earth into motion, and my soul stands. My soul stands. Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. You are my everything, and I will adore you. With all creation, I will sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything. It is with a heart filled with gratitude that I thank God for allowing my little garden to grow and to start producing things, even though I very seldom can get out here and do any what I call gardening. In the last week or two, I've been dealing with a muscle in my back that evidently was pulled, and it's just been the last 2 or 3 days that I have not dealt with pain. And as you know, my legs are still healing. So I'm so thankful for what I have. And yes, the Lord is my everything. Even though I put the seeds in the dirt, He is the one who caused it all to grow. He is watching out for my soul. He knows that I needed this garden this year. and I'm thankful.